hascyber.
Hello and welcome to hascyber hands-on tutorials. In this episode, we are coming to deal with network scan or service scan. This will make us scan our victims' computer or machine to know the services running on it, so that we'll be able to exploit those services. So to start it, we will use our nmap command to scan the victim's machine to know the services running on it. So as you can see, we are using the P switch to scan all the available ports that are on the victim's machines, and also you can see the victim IP. So let's run our command. This will take a little bit of time because of the P switch that we are using to get all available ports that are open on the victim's computer. So I'll pause this video whilst we wait for it 7p1. So these are the services that are open. As you can see, we have a lot of services running on the victim's machines, and they are open as well. So what we are going to do in our next video is we are going to exploit all these services to see if we can get access to the victim's machine. Thank you for watching.